$1.5 billion US dollars. That's what retail investors pushed into the market in February of 2023 alone. In this video, we will be taking a look at how they plan to divest their investments in the last half of 2023. It may provide us some exposition on how to guide our investments in the year 2024. Hello, I'm Coco Ombu. First off, in case you are just hearing the word retail investors for the first time, a retail investor is an individual or non-professional investor who buys and sells securities through brokerage firms or retirement accounts like 401ks. And not to forget, anyone can become a retail investor if you get the prerequisite skill or hook up to the right platform that provides the education you need to start. In our last video, we talked about how ultra high net worth individuals, read that as really rich people, invested their cash in the year 2023. You can click the link above to watch that video. The data used in this video is from Public's 2023 Retail Investor Report. It surveyed 1,005 retail investors on its platform, asking each respondent this question: which investment strategy or themes are you interested in as part of your overall investment strategy? This time, we're going to do an ascending count from the least strategy to the most subscribed strategy. Numbers 10, 5, 4, and 2 may shock you, so stick around till the end of this video to find out where retail investors are actually putting their money. Number 20, broad bond portfolio. 4.9% of retail investors targeted this sort of investing. 19. Hedge fund strategy. 5.4% of them did. 10. Europe. 6.6% targeted to look towards Europe for their investments. 17. China economy. 8.9% look towards China. 16. Genomics. 9.1% of retail investors targeted investing in genomics, which is the study of genes and their functions. Interest is growing in companies offering genetic editing, genetic sequencing and analysis, genetic testing and diagnostics. 15. Commodities. These include gold, rubber, oil, livestock, corn, wheat, coffee, sugar, soybeans, and pork. 12% of retail investors planned to put their money in this segment in the second half of last year. 14. Inflation protection. 13% of retail investors targeted an inflation-protected portfolio. Number 13. Mid-cap. These are companies with a market cap between $2 billion to $10 billion US dollars. And 19% of retail investors look towards investing in mid-cap companies. Number 12. Emerging markets. 23% of retail investors look towards investing in emerging markets. Number 11, real estate. A whopping 23% of retail investors plan on investing in real estate. Number 10, gold and precious metals. Also 23%. Number 9, small cap. These are companies with low market capitalization and have $2 billion or less in market capitalization. A total of 24% of these investors hoped to invest in small cap stocks. 8. Large caps. 26% of retail investors targeted companies with a market capitalization value of more than $10 billion US dollars. These are a class of popular stocks preferred by investors for their stability. Investors frequently add large cap stocks to their portfolio as a hedge against riskier investments. Some examples of large cap stocks include Apple, Amazon, Walmart, and ExxonMobil. Number 7, electric vehicles. Retail investors retain interest in EVs with increased interest in Rivian, VinFast, and Tesla. Number 6, big tech. 31% of retail investors bank on big tech, which refers to the most dominant and largest technology companies in their respective sectors. They include the 5 technology giants: Apple, Alphabet, that is Google's parent company, Amazon, Meta, which is Facebook's parent company, and Microsoft. Number 5, treasuries, also known as T-bills. Also, 31% targeted low-risk and secure T-bills investments, which is a short-term U.S. government debt obligation backed by the Treasury Department with a maturity of 1 year or less. Number 4, renewable energy. Platforms are throwing open solar projects to retail investors as an alternative investment choice with low entry ticket and an average annual return of 9 to 15%. And 33% of retail investors on public were open to this kind of investments. Number 3, Total Stock Market Index. This is an investment vehicle containing a basket of stocks within a mutual fund or exchange-traded fund that tracks an equity index. Investors who need access to the complete domestic stock market in a single fund are comfortable with any of these total US stock market index funds, and 36% of retail investors were open to this. Number 2, artificial intelligence. The buzz around generative AI has totally taken over retail investors as AI stocks comprise 14% of the top 50 stocks. AI-focused ETFs saw a collective 34% year-over-year increase, with investors placing buy orders at 96% over 2022. More than 90% of retail investors are using generative AI to power their investment research. I'll be doing a video soon showing you how to use financial investment chatbots to power your investment research. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel. 36% of retail investors were willing to go big in investing in artificial intelligence stocks. Number 1, and the most subscribed investment strategy for retail investors on public is dividend investing. Retail investors want to see cash regularly in their pockets and bank accounts. So 50% of them think dividend investing is ideal. A dividend is a payout of a portion of a company's profit to eligible stockholders on a monthly, quarterly, or yearly basis, typically issued by a public traded company. Companies like Chevron, Lowe's, Procter & Gamble are examples of this sort of companies. However, not every publicly listed company pays dividends. So there you have it. Which one of these investment strategies actually puts you on your toes? You can leave your thoughts in the comments below. For me, artificial intelligence did, and we'll see how artificial intelligence will influence the market in 2024. Hope you were able to draw out some insights from the top 20 investment strategies of retail investors. Remember, investing is risky. Talk to your financial advisor before making any investment. This video is for information purposes only. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more investing insights. Once again, I want to say thank you for taking our time to watch this video, and catch you soon.